All right, this is Erin, and I'm doing a overview of the work that I did for enhancement number 4 for the Acme website. So, I successfully went through all of the activities and got those done, and as far as enhancement 4, none of the objectives are completed yet. I do have a new index. I have my product management view, my new category view, and my new product view. And I also have my product model. So I'm still working on mostly the index and making sure everything is connecting appropriately and functioning appropriately. So I'm going to continue to work on this, and hopefully I can send an updated and completed enhancement for number 4 in the next couple days. Thanks.